And this is Michael.
To do really well today. I've been looking at other teams, and compared to other teams, our robots are really far up there in development, and they are doing really well.
Overall, the robots there were in pretty early stages of development.
There were a lot of good teams, and then there was a lot of teams just kind of getting started. So I don't think anyone was bad at that competition. It was just, they're new.
Okay then.
I think we're going to do pretty well. I just want to see the pneumatics kick something really hard and see what happens.
Am I okay to start this, Dane? Yeah. Alright, driver control in 3, 2, 1.
Overall, I think at this particular competition, autonomous mode was actually a big game changer because a lot of robots didn't actually have an autonomous working yet. And since we did have one and we would generally win the autonomous bonus, that definitely helped us in the long run.
In this competition, what was really good is we always had a constant autonomous for every tile, which was excellent, and that helped us out a lot. But there was one match where our autonomous kicked a bucky ball.
There was a match where we were actually partnered with another team from our school, Team 4184C, Nuclear Fallout. And then, so we were partnered with them, and then this is completely autonomous, and they agreed that we should do it.
It just so happened to kick the ball in the right direction, so it hit the wall, bounced on the ground, and then went into Dylan's robot.
2, 1, go. I'm getting out of your picture. Now you're switching. Woo! Too slow. It's okay, we won. Kicked the bucky ball in their autonomous mode, and it flew into our robot so that we couldn't lift down anymore. Oh, there's a bucky ball there. Yeah. Crap. Yeah, you flung it into my robot.
And I'm like, what's wrong with the robot? I guess it must be something about the programming.
Really?
And I finally saw that there was a ball stuck under our lift.
I just want to see the pneumatics kick something really hard and see what happens.
Dylan was so mad because that made him lose the match. But now, he built his own robot rib cage to prevent that from ever happening again.
During the finals, it's just, you never know what could happen.
Order, I should have 4184C, 2131C, 4184G, 5212.
I knew we were going to the finals, but I expected Dylan's team to win.
It was a bit sad that last finals match where the lift gear got stripped, and so we couldn't do anything. Because if that hadn't happened, there's a good chance we would have won the whole thing. But that last match, just, yeah, it was pretty sad.
In the third match, the other team was having issues, and we actually pulled through and won finals. Which means we are now qualified for the US Open and Nationals.
Somehow they're better than us. You just never know what could happen.
But we'll need to make significant improvements if we want to continue doing well. One of the things I really want to work on is our lift has kind of been like working sometimes, and other times it's just not working. It's not getting the job done.
We're also making our chassis improved and better, and possibly adding a speed drive to it. And we're going to be changing our intake, and we're still developing our current intake method.
We just need to make sure we practice more, get more driver skills in, refine some things about the robot that weren't as top-notch as they could have been.
Big things for 4184G short circuit. Short circuit. Oh, I said that weird.
Nuclear fallout!
Back to you, Dylan.
Can't we do their chassis?
So, are you
That's cheating!
You can grow things in the garden of your mind.
I thought it was very funny. I was glad we lost that one, in a way.
Execute Order 66.